will be your trainer. My name is Katie. So for today, we're going to have a look how can we create an instant quiz using Google Form. So we are going to create an instant quiz using Google Form. So there's a few things that we also going to learn today, which is how can we create the quiz? Okay, how can we create the quiz, and how can we transform question. Okay, if you have a question, for example, if you already have a question from Google document, how can we transform that question into Google Form? We're going to use add-on in this case, and we're also going to see how can we set a duration to limit submission. Okay, durations. I'm not saying that once someone open up the quiz, they only have 30 minutes. It's not like that kind of duration. It just you can set up when your form will be open, when will your form be closed. For example, the form will be open from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. But you cannot set up the form will be open 30 minutes when someone's go in. No. It means here for the duration, it will open up, for example, at 1 o'clock, and then it will be closed at 2 o'clock, for example. And the next one, how can we share the quiz with student? Okay, how can we share the quiz to other to be answered? And the second one, how can we share the quiz to our colleague so that our colleague can make changes? Okay, there's two types of sharing for Google Form. The first one is to share so that that person will fill up the form. The second one, we share the form in order for that person to edit the form, to edit the question. Okay, there's two types of sharing. So the very first one, of course, we're going to create our empty Google Form. So you can start by making sure that you already logging into your Gmail account. And then from there, in the Google Apps menu, okay, click on there. And then just scroll down, look for form. And then just click on it to open up a new tab of Google Form. Or if you are from your Drive, just click on new, okay, and then more, click on Google Form. Okay, if you are from your Drive, click on the new button, click on more. Okay, bring your cursor to more, and then there's a Google Form, so click on Google Form. So this is how Google Forms looks like. Okay, this is Google Forms. So the very first thing you want to do every time you create a new document, any type of document, is to rename your document. So the same case with others type of application. So here to rename the document, you just click on the untitled, okay, on the untitled form, just click on it, and then you can just rename it. Okay, so the name here will follow here. So here is the form title will be on the top here. Okay, it will, you just write down here, so then it will copy it automatically here. Okay, so now you already rename your Google Forms. The next step, we're going to create our quiz. Okay, so if you skip this step, okay, if you skip this step, whatever I'm going to show you, that means you just are creating a normal form. Okay, you're just creating a normal form. So that means in order for us to create a quiz, we must set up a score, a point. So if you skip this step, the step that I'm going to show you to create the quiz means that you are only creating a regular form. So to make this form a quiz, okay, to make this form as a quiz, to set up point for certain question, this is what we're going to do. So you need to go to the settings. You need to go to the settings. Okay, so click on setting from your Google Form, click on setting. So now from here, from the setting in your Google Form, click on quizzes. Click on quizzes. Okay, so click on quizzes. After you click setting, click on quizzes. After that, you need to enable this. Make this a quiz. Okay, if you you did not enable this, that means it's just a regular form. In order to make it a quiz, go to setting, choose quizzes, and make this a quiz. Enable this, just click. So now you already enable it. So if you go down a bit, you can see respondent can see. Okay, so they have three options. If you just go down a bit from quizzes, after you enable it, you just go down a bit. Okay, here they have option what respondent can see. So, okay, so they have three. So either the respondent can see missed question. Okay, missed question if the respondent answer incorrect, so they can view which question is incorrect for them. Correct answer. So after the result is released, so after they are already fill up the form, if you tick correct answer, so they will be able to see the correct answer for all questions that created. Point value, so for each question you can set up certain point, so they can also be able to see the point. So I will demo as well these three missed question, correct answer, and point value for you to see. Okay, this one I will demo. So once you're done here, just click on save button. Okay, you must save, else it will not change this as a quiz. So you must save. So once you save, you will notice now you have this answer key. Okay, how to know if this form is already transformed into quizzes? So you will be able to see here answer key. Okay, answer key. Normal form will not have this answer key. If you're creating just a normal regular form, you will not be able to see this answer key. But once you already change it into quiz, you will see this answer key. Now just type in your question regular. So just key in your question here, and then your option answer here. So now I have answer. For example, the first option is 1, the second option is 2, and you can keep add option here to give more options. Once you're done, so here how can we set up the point and also the answer. What you're going to do, so after you already key in the question and also the option for the answer, click on answer key. Okay, click on answer key. So here, it will bring you here, choose correct answer. So here, you can set up the point. Okay, here you can set up the point. So it will align with the question. Okay, here is the question. So at the end here, you will see point. So you can modify the point. It doesn't have to be 1. So it's up to you. You can maybe, if the question is difficult, you can set up 5. If the question is easy, maybe you can give 1 point. So just change the point here. And then, for example, here I change the point into 1. So here, for the question, you just tick on the answer. Just click, okay? You just click on here, and then it will turn like this, okay? It will turn like this to indicate. So this is the answer. If the person who fill up the form choose number 2, that person will get 1 point. So you just click here, set answer key, click here. So it's turned green. So that's mean if someone choose 2, so that will be, that person will get the point. Now you will notice add answer feedback. This is optional, it's not compulsory, okay? Add answer feedback. This is if you want to give feedback for every answer that the student choose. If you click, okay, you must click add answer feedback, and then you have 2 options. Feedback for incorrect answer and feedback for correct answer. So, for example here, incorrect answer, I just write down here, incorrect, please do more revision. Same case with the correct answer, you can just type in something, correct, good job, and then just save. Okay, so here is the example. If I have a question with feedback, so I'm still in the key answer, okay, I'm still in the key answer part. So here, the answer for 1 plus 1. If the student answer 2, that means it's correct. So the feedback will shows feedback for correct answer. So the answer will, so the student will have feedback correct, good job. If that person answer 1 which is wrong, it will show incorrect. Please do more revision. Okay, so once you're done, so you're happy with your feedback, so you're happy with the score, click on done. Okay, so it will show like this. So answer key 1 point. So this is the one that you set up. Okay, the answer key, how many points? So if 5 point, it will show here 5 point. If you have a lot of question, okay, and you already set up a few point, up here you will see the total point of everything. Okay, total point of everything. For example, if you have 5 questions and each question will be 1 point, so up here it will show 5 points. Here it will show the point for each particular question. How many points for this one? So if you wish to change it, you just click on the answer key to change the answer. So here is an example of a quiz submission. Okay, so here I have a question 1 plus 1. So here quiz submission. So this is the quiz. So 1 plus 1. Let's say I answer 1. Okay, which is I answer 1 and I click submit. Okay, it will just show like this. Your response has been recorded. So I can view my score. Click on view score. So here for the right answer, if I answer 2, yes, it will tick like this. Remember, we key in the feedback just now, so it will also show us our feedback here. Correct, good job. So if I answer is incorrect, it will be like this. Feedback, incorrect. Please do more revision and it will show me the correct answer, which is here. It will show me the correct answer. It will give me the feedback. Okay, so here is the total point. So now let me just demonstrate whatever I show you. Okay, we're going to create our new empty form. So I'm just going to click on new. More, this is from straight from Drive, Google Form. Okay, so this is our empty Google Form. Like I said, this is just a regular question. How can you tell? Because you will not be able to see answer key here. Okay, so there's no answer key here. That means it's just a regular form. So regular form means they will not calculate any mark for this one. So this is not a quiz. So give it a title. So I'm just going to quiz. Okay. So I just key in quiz. So now here the form title change as well. Next step. Go to settings. Okay. Click on the gear icon. Settings. Go to quizzes. Here. Quizzes. Okay. Go to quizzes. And make this a quiz, you need to enable it. So just click on it. Okay, click on it. So if you go down, here is the, by default, all 3 will be ticked. So the student will be able to see the one that he or she got wrong. It will display the correct answer. And also we will display the point, how many does the student score. Let's do one by one in order for you to see. Okay, now let me just show you without any 3 of this. What is the difference? Without any 3 of this, okay, let's just do that and click on save. So again, now you key in the question. I just go 1 by 1 plus 1 again. 1 and then 2. Okay, now go to answer key. So here, how many points? I'm just going to give 1 point for this question. So what is the correct answer? So the correct answer is 2. Just click on 2. So I will skip the feedback for this one. Okay, the answer is 2. So the point is 1. Click on done. Okay, now I already have 1 point, total point 1. Let's just create another one question. I'm just going to duplicate this to make my work easier. I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate. I'm going to do 2 minus 1. And then I'm going to change the answer, okay, here. Answer key to change it because this is duplicate of this. So previously the answer is 2, but now the answer is 1. So I'm going to edit it. So just click on answer key, choose the right answer. Make sure you untick that one. Choose the right one. Again, the point is 1. Click on done. So I have 2 questions with total point of 2. So next, I'll just show you. So this one, the setting without any of this, yeah? The setting without any of this. Save. Just preview. Okay, now we're going to answer 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, the 2 minus 1. Okay, 1. So submit. Okay, submit. So here, if you notice, it just show like this. View accuracy. Okay, it will not show the score. It only shows the accuracy. Click. So the student will only show this one. So if the student didn't know, so the one who answer your quiz wouldn't know which one is the correct answer, which one is not, which one is wrong. Okay, so they will have no clue at all. So different from if you do this, now we're going to change. Here, let's say missed question. Okay, missed question will show if their answer is incorrect. Okay, missed question will show them if the answer is incorrect. You just save. Let me just fill up the form one more time. So here, 1 plus 1 is 2. So now let me just make this incorrect. Okay, for the second question, I also choose 2. Submit. Again, it will not show you view score. It will show you view accuracy. Okay, now you see the difference between this one. This one, if you untick everything, it will not let you know which one is right, which one is wrong. The second option, I tick the one who show me the incorrect answer and correct answer. So this is how it's going to show me. So the first question is correct, it's just going to tick. The second question is wrong, it will just put X like that. Okay. Next one. Here again, quizzes. Here, correct answer. So for this correct answer, if I answer it wrongly, it will show me what is the correct answer. Save. Okay. Let me just 2 and 2 again. Submit. View accuracy again because you don't have option to view the score. So here, it will become like this. It will give me the correct answer. Okay. The second option, what the respondent can see. If you choose the correct answer, they can view what is the correct answer. Different from this one, they wouldn't know what is the correct answer. So next one. Oopsie. Sorry. Let's go to settings again. Quizzes. Points value. Save. So here, the person who fill up your form will be able to see the point. Okay, we'll be able to see the point. How many points that person scored. Here, 1 plus 1. Let's go with 2. 2 minus 1. Let's go with 1. Submit. View score. If you notice previously, the person can only see, view accuracy. But now, this person who fill up the form can view the score. So click on view score. So here you go. It will show you the correct answer. It will show you the point. This one. Okay. So by default, it will choose all 3 box will be enabled. So, but it's up to you if you don't want to show them what is the correct answer. So you just untick this one. Okay. Okay. If you don't want them to know what is the correct answer, you just untick this one. So they wouldn't know what is the correct answer. They will only view like this. Okay, they will not know. So it's up to you to set up your quizzes. So total point is like that. So you can view score. So here you can see the total point. Here is the point for each individual question. So now that for quizzes straight from your Google form. Okay, next up, we're going to transform quiz from Google document. Let's say you previously have created question from Google document. Now you want to transform it into Google form because Google form can calculate the mark for you. So you wish to transfer it. So this is how you can do it. So here, example, I have already this Google document. So I have question in here in my Google document. So the things that you want to do with this is to get add-ons. Okay, you need to get add-on. So you just click, okay, this is from your Google document. Okay, this is your Google document. Click on add-on, get add-ons. What you want to look is Doc To Form. The name for this add-on we're going to use is Doc To Form. So you just click on it. Okay, click on it. So it will install. Now if you go to your add-ons, you will notice this Doc To Form. And then you just click create form from document. Okay, so means it's going to create a form straight from this Google document. So once you click on it, so you will notice there's this pop-up box on the right side, create form. Okay, create form here, right here. This is straight again from your Google document. So what you need to do here is a copy paste. Okay, it's a copy paste. So what you need to do, you need to highlight the first question. You need to select the question. Okay, highlight it and click on use selected text. You need to highlight, use selected text, click, and then it will copy it. Okay, it will copy it into the question box. Question box, it will be copied here into the question box. Now I have 4 questions, right? So to add another question, just click on add question here, click on it. So again, the same step, you highlight, you use selected text, and then here in the type, okay, type, you can choose what type of answer are you expecting from the user. So it can be text, it can be paragraph, but here it will be multiple choice. Okay, in my case here, I'm using multiple choice. Just click on multiple choice, and then what you're going to do here, you're going to add this 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, you're going to separate it by creating a new line or semicolon. Okay, to differentiate between answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. So this is what you can do. You can make it in separate new line, or you can put semicolon in between. In my case here, I copy paste and then I just put semicolon in between. Okay, copy paste and then I just put semicolon in between. And then I just continue until my 4th question. So once I'm done, click on create form. Okay, once you're done here, click on create form. So now it will just show like this, success. Your form has been created. It's located in your Google Drive. So next up, what you're going to do, you just view form. Okay, view form. So now it will bring you straight to the question that you created here. So this is the form that coming from there. Okay, so this is it. So you can make changes to it straight from here as well. So now let's just demonstrate on that part. Okay, for example here is the Google document that I have my question in. Add on. Okay, I already have Doc To Form, but if you don't have it, what you're going to do is just document add-ons. Sorry, wait. Okay, so here, since I already have it, so I'm just going to use it straight, or you can just get add-on. Okay, get add-on. So you just search for Doc To Form. So it will be on the top. Okay, so you just click on it, and it will you just click on it, and then it will be installed in your click here, and then it will be installed in your Google document. Once it's already installed in your Google document, so go to add-ons again, Doc To Form. So just click here, create form from doc. Click on it. So here you go. So again, the step is, so question 1. Now I'm just going to highlight my first question. Use selected text, click on it, so it will copy it automatically. So here is the type. You can choose what type of answer are you expecting from your user. To add next question, click on add question. So the same thing, highlight, use selected text. Okay, type of answer you're expecting. So here I'm going to go with multiple choice. So here, just copy. Okay, here I'm just Control C. I'm just copy. I'm just paste. Control V. Okay, so here I don't have to put semicolon because I separate it by new line. Okay, then enter, enter, enter. So I don't have to separate it using semicolon. So next question again, add question, highlight, use selected text, type. So here is multiple choice again. So here I'm going to use semicolon. So I'm just copy this, paste. So I just differentiate between answer 1 and answer 2 by semicolon here. So add another question. Question 4, I'm just highlighting this, use selected text. So for the answer, it's again multiple choice. I'm just going to copy paste. So now I'm done. So I have my question, I have my answer. Create form. Just click on create form. So now it's creating the form. Now go to view form. So here is the form. So this is basically from the question that you copied from your Google document. So it will come out like this. Okay. So that one, if you already created something in your Google document, so this is copy paste. It's just more easy. So you don't have to leave your Google document. So you just work creating the form using straight from your Google document. Okay, so once you're happy, now only the time you make it as a quiz. So go here, quizzes, enable it, save. Now you can make it as a quiz. Okay, so that's how you copy paste, how you create something straight from here, straight from your Google document. Okay, next up, we're going to have a look how can we set a duration. So again, this is not the duration someone can spend in your form. Okay, this is the duration when you open and close your form. To do this, so we need to go back to our Google form. Okay, to do this is need to be conducted from your Google form. So open up the quiz that you created, or open up the form. It doesn't have to be quiz, okay? It doesn't have to be quiz. It can be a normal form, it can be quiz, okay? It can be anything, but as long as it's created from your Google form. What you're going to do, click on more. Okay, click on more. So here you will see a three dot besides send button. Click on more. You will see add-ons. Here, yes, we're going to use another add-on for Google Form. So click on add-ons. The add-ons that we are looking for is this one, email notification for Google Form. Okay, so this is the one, email notification for Google Form. So the same things, click on it, you install it. Okay, once you're done, okay, this is your Google Form. So if you see the puzzle, icon, okay, you will see the puzzle icon. So here is the add-on for Google Form. So you click on it. So you will see email notification for Google Form, the one that you already installed. Okay, email notification for Google Form. Here, okay, a box will pop up, give you option. What you want to choose is limit Google Form responses. Okay, limit Google Form responses. Click on it. So this box will pop out. So here you can set the specification. When you want to open up your form, when you want to turn off your form, means it will be disabled. Okay, you can set when will your form will be enabled, when will it disable, or if you have a schedule. If you wish to have a schedule, so maybe your form will only be available on weekdays. Maybe it's only on weekend. You can also do that. So this one, if you already have the date, for example, is going to be on the 10 till 15. But here, if it's repeating, okay, if a recurring schedule, so you go here, you play around with the setting right here. So once you're done, you just click on save. Okay. So now, here, the first option just now is to open and close within specific date and time. So here, you can set the date. You can even set the time if you want to. Okay, you can set the date. When will the form will be open to public? When will the form will be closed? Or you also have option turn off after how many entries. So let's say if you only accepting 5 entries, so once the form receive 5 entries, it will close the form. Okay, so that's mean the form will not be able to people. So you can choose it on this side. Okay, you can choose the date, the time. So just now, the other option is for the form if it's a recurring schedule. Okay, if you wish to open it only on weekdays, if you wish to open the form only on weekends, so you can choose here, enable from every, so you choose the day. So it will also choose, you can choose the day and the time. Okay, between what time to what time. Close message, you will notice you can also type in something. This is if someone go into your form. So let's say your form is closed by the setting that you already set up. So this is the message they will be able to see. Okay, close form message. This is the message will be displayed on the screen once someone try to go into a closed form. So for example here, I just do like this. So the form, I don't have this the start time because once I don't have the start time, so I just set up the when will the form will be closed. So I'll just do like this, 16th of April at 3 o'clock. So my close form message, I just write down the form is no longer available. Once I'm happy with my setting, click on save. So if someone try to open the form that you already closed, so this is the close message, right? The form is no longer available. Okay, so that's what the others will be seeing. So now let me just demos to you. Yeah. So I'm going to use this one again. So to add on, click here, more, okay, more. This is the three dot from your Google form. Click on it, add-ons. Okay. Again, so the type of add-ons that you're looking for is this one. Email notification for form. Click on it. So here is the one that you need to install. Okay, this is the one that you need to install. So once you install it, go here to your add-on. Again, it's like a puzzle icon. Okay, click on it. Email notification for Google Form. So this is the name. Click. Sorry, wait, because I already use it somewhere else. The free version will only allow you to use it once. Okay, to use it not once means like if there is another form in your drive already active using the add-on, you will not be able to use it in different form for the free version. So this is the one that I have. Yeah. Let me just look which one. Yeah. So here is the one. So I click on it, email notification for Google Form, limit Google Form responses. So here, when will be open, when will it be closed? Okay, when will it be closed? And then let's say how many entries. Okay, so let me just do this. How many entries? So I'm just going to accept 3 entries and then the form will be closed. So here you have option. Like I said, it can be on weekend, it can be on weekdays. So if you wish to open it on maybe only on Friday, so you just tick Friday. Okay. So the form will open only on Friday. So if Monday and any other day, the form will not be available to others to fill up, to be filled up. Let me just untick this. So you can choose the day here. So here is the closed message. Let's just say sorry. Now, let me just make it 3, save. Okay, let me just save. You save. Okay, now you just close. Close this. Okay, now let me just answer it. Okay, let me just give a wrong one. Okay. 2. Okay. So now, after it accepting 3, so it will give, it will close the form. So now I already have 3 responses. So it will automatically turn off my form. So it will no longer accepting responses. Okay. So after receiving 3 answer, so it will turn off. It will no longer accepting anything from others. So we just say, because the one that I wrote down just now, sorry. So it just show like this one. So you can set up the timing, okay? If you wish to set the timing in between what time to what times can someone fill up the form. So this one, if, for example, if you are looking for, let's say if you are having maybe you are giving reward to the first 5 participants. So you can just key in 5. So these 5 participants, so you just see their mark, their scoring. So yeah, if they are good, you can give them their prize. So next up, like I said, when you are sharing the quiz, there are 2 types of sharing. Okay, there are 2 types of sharing. So if you send, okay, if you go to send from your form, go to send. Here, this is means you are sending the form for someone to fill it up. Okay, you are sending the form for someone to fill it up. So you just key in their email address here and then click on send. You can also copy the link and then share the link. You can also, if you have if you are having, maybe you're using Google site, so you can embed the HTML there. You just copy this and then put it in your Google site. So now, collaborators, you can also click here, add collaborators, okay, from the send button. Instead of using this email, you go to add collaborators, or you click on the menu, add collaborators. Okay, the collaborators will be the person who will be able to edit your form. Okay, this collaborator will be able to edit your form. Will be able to key a new question, delete a question. So here, the option will be only one, which is can edit. So you just key in their email address and then just click send. So that's how collaborators and also sending email regularly. So let me just show you as well. So here, if you click on send, so here you key in the email address. Let me just send this to myself, okay? Key in the email address. So this is for this person to fill up, okay? This person to fill up the form. If you go with this one, so add collaborators. If you fill up this one, so that's mean this person again can edit, can modify your form. So it can be able to view your form like this one and modify it. That's a collaborator. So collaborators and also send it to student is totally different. So if you wish to only receive an answer from that particular person, you click on send. If you wish that particular person to modify your form, you add collaborators. So that's two different things. So if you notice, this include form in email. By default, okay, I will show you the difference. Let me just again send it to myself. Okay, I didn't tick on this, include form in email. So I just do it like that and I click on send. Let me just open up my Gmail. Here. I just like this. I invite you to fill up the form. Click. So I will be able just to fill up the form and submit. Okay, you notice the one, wait, this one. Okay. If you notice, send. This one, include form in email. If I tick on this one, that means I'm allowing that person to answer it straight from the email itself without leaving email. Let me show you how. So I already tick on this, include form in email, click on send. Okay. Different from this one, I need to click on fill up form and then it will open up a new tab for me to fill up the form. But just now, I choose to include this in email. Okay, so click. So here is the difference. So this person, which is me, doesn't have to fill up the form in Google Form. Means I can answer it straight from my email and click on submit. So if you choose to be included in this email, so it will turn out like that one. So the student doesn't have to leave the email in order to fill up the form. So it can be done straight from the email itself. I have question. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. For the slide, I'm sorry, I will not. We are yet to have a copyright, so I will not be able to share the. For now, I still not be able to share the slide with you. But what I can suggest with you, you may watch the video. I will upload my session here into my YouTube channel, so you can go to my YouTube channel and watch the video. So since the slide will be present there, I will also suggest you might want to just pause the video so you can see the slide. Okay. I don't have the link yet because I haven't upload my this current class into my YouTube channel. But you might, I'll just share with you my channel. Wait, yeah, let me show you just my channel. Okay, wait. Okay. So this will be my channel. So you might want to subscribe. So once the video uploaded, you can watch it. Let's say I just need to conduct a quiz with 20 questions, but I have 100 questions in my test bank. So I would like to ask whether Google provide a drive for me to keep all my 100 questions. Randomly select. Okay, no. So you must we don't have that features in Google. So you need to create a different question that have 20 questions. If randomly select, yeah, no, we are not be able to do that. So you must created a different Google form in order for you to have 20 questions. Okay, if you have 100 questions, and then you must, I will say you just copy the form. So this will be my suggestion for you. Where's my, okay. This will be my suggestion for you. Okay, you just duplicate, copy the form. So make a copy. Okay, this is, for example, this is the form that I have 100 questions in it. Right click, make a copy. So you just delete unwanted question in the copy version. Okay, instead of copy paste, I will just suggest you to do this, copy. So that's mean this particular form, copy of instant quiz, will have 100 questions right now. So what you're going to do, you just go in and then you just delete the unwanted question. So that will be my suggestion, because no, we don't have the features which you can just randomly choose 20 questions out of 100 that you already created. Okay. Also, if you, okay, there's another features actually here. Did you notice a shuffle option order? Okay. This option, okay, if I click here, shuffle option order, the same thing here. I'm just going to do the same thing here. Oops, not this one. I just do this because this is easier. So shuffle option order. Shuffle option order. So what actually this shuffle option order, okay? So let me show you. So the first question you will see 1 plus 1. Just put this one to make it obvious. Okay. Submit. Okay. Another one. It will shuffle the answer inside here. Okay. It will shuffle the answer inside here. So maybe this actually to prevent, like maybe I can say cheating. So let's say the first answer will say, oh, the answer is A. Let's say the second person will say, oh, the answer is B. So then even though the answer is A and B, the answer right here changing. Just do like this. B. So it's only changed inside here. Okay, it will change the one that inside here. So like as you can see, it's not A B, no, it's B A B A. It will randomly shuffle, but it's only going to happen for the answer. Okay. Another features that I would like to show you. Let me see the time. Okay. The other thing, now not sure. I hope you have this class before. So since I have a few times, so I'm going to show you about section. Okay, section. So let me just add section. So if you notice what actually the section does is, it's going to go to the next question based on the previous answer. Okay, here. Continue to the next section. Let's just, so continue to the next section. After section 1, okay. Continue to the next section or go to section, continue to the, okay. So here, like this, I'll add another section. Okay. So you can be able to choose what will it be done after something happen. So here, if I go here, I click on next. So it will jump to the section that I specific it to do. So this one, if you have many questions, for example, you have question about personal data, the second question about education background. So the question is not related, you can divide it by section. So it's easy for the one who answered the form to view it and to understand the question. So this is about education. So this is about my background. So that's a section. So here you have section 1, section 2, because I created 3 sections. Okay. Question cannot be a question, no, but only for answer can be shuffled. We receive the same question at the same time. Yes, correct. The student will receive the same question at the same time. Do you have to shuffling of question one by one? For the question, the shuffle is only for answer. Okay, the shuffle only going to happen for the answer. But then if you want the student, for example, if the student answer B, you can bring them to the next section. Yeah, go to the section based on question. Okay, so let's say the student answer B, it will jump to section 3. The student answer A, it will jump to section 2. So it will skip section 2 for if the student answer B. You can do that if you wish to have a different question, but then it will be a lot of work. So another suggestion for me is for you to do this kind of method, which is you different it by section. So the student will go to the next question based on the answer based on their current answer. Reposition the question, yes, of course. You can reposition the question just by bring your cursor into this area. So you will see like a 6 dot on the top. Okay, so you just drag and drop wherever you want it. Okay, that's, you just drag and drop. So you can just modify your question to relocate it. Okay. Any other questions? So it's I wish everybody okay. All right, since there's no question. Oh, shuffle option. So where is here? Again, shuffle is only for the not question. Shuffle is only for the answer. Answer inside. Okay, only for the answer. So it will be here. If you go to here, okay, down here, menu, for the particular question, click here, shuffle option order. Okay, tick, if you ticks means you already enabled the shuffle. If it's like this, it's mean you disable the shuffle option order. Okay. Okay, can I allocate the timing for each question? I'm sorry, but no.